So good evening, everyone. Let's discuss today dashboards. I think last class when we were doing, we did on the older version of that ServiceNow, which is a maybe I tried to do in this version. Which version? Yokohama or maybe Zanado. So now Yokohama onwards, they depreciated the old dashboards. Okay, so let's work it out on the new dashboards. Correct, let's go for a new dashboard. So in the new dashboard, little bit it's a complex, or I can say it's a enhanced features which they enabled, which we can work it out and enable the dashboards. Suppose take it, you want to create a new dashboard. Okay, let's create a new dashboard. So I have a multiple types of reports. Okay, if you go here, list report is there, bar chart is there, pie chart is there. We'll create each one of them. Line charts is there, time series is there, pivot table is there, donuts chart is there, heat maps is there, calendar reports is there. So why do I took different one? Because it's very important. Whenever you are working in any kind of organization, you need to create multiple types of reports and add into dashboards, right? So let's create one by one. Okay, so first let's go to dashboards. So under self-service, if you open, so already existing dashboards are here. Okay, by default dashboards. There are recently open dashboards. You can see if you are bookmarked some dashboards. Suppose I am bookmarking this dashboard, which is that I am bookmarking here. If I see here, it will come here, right? Then is certified dashboards. Even I don't know what is the certified. So which is owned by me because I created these all dashboards. It is owned by my dashboard. Shared with me. Somebody shared with me these dashboards. These are the shared with me. All the dashboards. Who can see this? All the dashboards. Only administrator can see. Okay. Rest of them only if you are created you can see. Otherwise, if you somebody created and shared with you, you can see. And if you are recently opened something, that you can see. Bookmarked also, you whatever you bookmark, those you can see it. Again, we know that all will come only the people who are administrators, correct? So you have a here filters again where you can go ahead and search it. Now let's create a new dashboard from the starting, correct? Let's create a new dashboard. So new dashboard name is my group dashboard. I'm creating a my group dashboard. A description you can write it, or you don't need to write it. It is up to your choice. So always we are using inline editor. What is this? Technical editor means you can go ahead and create with the script and data binding reports here. Okay, so which as of now we will not do. Maybe in the end of the training we will go ahead and do it. How to do it I will explain you guys. Okay, so now let's go to this one, inline edit. So create a new dashboard which we are doing. So what it is, my group dashboard I am created. So now I need to, they are saying add your elements. There is nothing here yet. You can start adding your first elements. Okay. So this is one tab, correct? So you can create multiple tabs as we discussed the earlier dashboard. So one tab will be my incidents, other tab will be my requests, other tab will be my changes, other tab will be my problem tickets, correct? So that's how we are going to do it. So as of now, we will create one tab and we will add all incidents, different types of reports. So I am trying to add elements, correct? So when you click add elements, okay, there are multiple options which you are getting. One is data visualization. So what is this data visualization? Which is again called a reports. In earlier versions, we used to create a report and add it here. But in newer version, what they brought is they are bringing directly. You can go ahead from the dashboard itself and create a report and bring it here. Okay, you no need to go to create a report and add it and share it, all those things you no need to do. So now data visualization is a topic. Okay, let's use this data visualization. Okay, so I have, if you have something old one, you can take it from the reports that they are saying this existing visualization. The old reports you can bring it from here. So we are going to create first new visualization. So when you create a new visualization, you got one widget added here. So the widget type is, by default, it is selected as single score. We all know what is single score, correct? Single score is nothing but a number we will be displaying. So first I need to apply header, show header. Header means this, what is the header you want to display it. Suppose I want to create incidents. So let's see what is the single score report. We got it correct. List, bar, line, pivot, donut, heat maps, calendar. Right. So let's go. Maybe I will create one single score is ticket count, incident count, my group. Okay. So I will also add same thing in the description. So you see here automatically it has become your heading of your widget, correct? So that is the wrap the title, because it will come into next line if you are not wrapping. So it will be in one, correct? So you can do as your wish. So let's, because it is a single score, let it be in the same here, correct? One box. Now the, where do you want to get the data? So which table they were asking. So let's go here. We will search incident. So there is a predefined template, predefined conditions, incident close, incidents resolved, major incident. There are a lot of incidents open, all those things are, we are not applying any condition here. You all are familiar how to apply a condition, correct? If you want to apply a condition, suppose take it as a state, right? You take a state and you take in progress ticket only. In case of if you want to take all, one of you have to select. In case of if you don't want to see in progress, you can select not one of, not one of. I am saying I don't want to see new, I don't want to see in progress, right? This is how the conditions you have to apply. So now I'm not applying any conditions because we don't have much tickets. I am adding as a plain thing. So there are 118 tickets, correct? Now there are additional settings. Show matrix, okay? Show score up to date time, okay? There are multiple. You want to have a zero, all those things. You want to show filters, some filters. Suppose we saw that there was a filter applied, correct? Whenever interactive filter applying, not applying, that filters you will see here. So we'll see that once we added interactive filter. As of now, you don't need. So this data has to be updated real time. It is asking, yes, correct. Score is having always real time. Okay. Set custom message when no data. So when there is no data, data are not available. There is no score, something like that. You can set, they are saying. Okay. As of now, we are not using that. Set custom message when no data, they are asking, correct? So that also we are not going to use it. So now presentation display settings, they're asking. Size, what is the size you want to excel, you want to extra small or small, you want to have medium, you want to have large, correct? There are different XXL. Okay. So do you want to apply any icon behind this? They're asking. Suppose I want to apply this icon, correct? So let's not take this one. I'll take this one, something like this, correct? So there are multiple icons are there where you can go ahead and apply the icons. And background, without any background, with background. So without any background, I can apply it this way. So let's go back to, I think symbol is not working. Fill also is there. ABC is also there. Okay, there are a lot of options which you can use it and try to work it out. Okay. So I am not selecting anything, no icon, okay, as of now. So then you have a color. So what color you want to show? Single color or you want to show double color? So there are multiple colors. You can go ahead and select it. Suppose you want to show this one into red color, correct? So apply red color, pink, sorry. So add rules also, dynamic rules also there. Operator lower than, lesser than, greater than, whatever. There is a order. Okay, there are multiple. Suppose value I have to add, and so colors, this is about color rules. Okay, so this is not so important. Okay, then allow chart interaction. Okay, suppose you want to go to this. If you click this one, it will go to backend tickets and show, correct? Whether you want to show that only data view. Okay, that you want to see, go to URL. Okay, the URL you can provide, so that URL, it will, whenever you clicking this URL, it will go to that URL. Suppose let's take this one. This is the URL I'm applying behind this. So this is the URL. If I'm trying to save it, it will go, if you click on this 118, it will go to this URL. So that is what they are saying, this URL. So we'll not do this now, as of now. Page name, you want to give page name something, incidents, open, correct? Suppose you can give and save it, correct? Once you are done this one, it is like this, correct? Now exit to save, exit to edit mode. First save it, then exit to edit mode. So this is how your dashboard will look like once you exit to edit mode. So now let's go back one more kind of a report. Let's take one more dial report. So I want to add one more, correct? Element type is visual, new. So let's go to dial type. So again, we'll have incidents on hold. I want to have it, this one. Wrap title, add data source. I'm taking incident, add custom, state equal to on hold. We will select on hold. Add to source. So there is no tickets. It is there. Okay, it is coming out. So additional setting, again, it's the same. Metrics is there. Okay, when you are selecting different, you want to show the filters, you want to show the real-time data. Okay, there are multiple options. Again, we will get colors, all those things. We will get all those information where you can go ahead and apply different settings on it. Right now, let's do this one. Header separate. So it is like this, correct? Now I want to keep this one like this and save it. The similar way you can add multiple dashboards. Now let's take one of the complex one. Okay, this area column, see, trend by all those we discussed, correct? So let's discuss maybe column. Okay, not this one. This one is, I will remove this one. I will create a new widget. Okay. So I will add one more data visualization, new, and column. So when I add column, I will say state versus assignment group. State versus assignment group. Then I will go ahead and select incident table. And I'm not adding any condition. I'm straight away adding this one. So now when you add column, correct, column type, you need to select group by also. group by. So I am keeping assignment group. Okay, maximum number of groups. How many you want to show? If you don't want to show, you can, if you want top 10, you can apply 20, correct? So again, trend by. So trend by is nothing but, so we'll apply state. State will not come. Why? Because it's a trend by is date wise, correct? So either created. So we will go ahead and apply date, refresh time. There are multiple things will come into it. So now let's drag this one into here because we want to show multiple values, correct? So we will keep a bigger one. So let's do this. If you see here, trend by created by each date, how many from each assignment group it is showing. Now, if you want to show no data message, again, there is value y-axis data labels you want to show. So it will show the data labels also in the below. Okay. So we'll see that data labels, how it looks, correct? Display settings, double trap, all those. This you can give a try how it looks, all those things. So I'm going to show data labels now. So let me take it a little bit bigger one. You have to use like this, minimize it and try to let it load the data. You see, it is showing entire data. Like if you click anywhere, it is showing this group is having this many tickets. Okay, these are the values it is showing the day particularly. Okay, when you go to the particular area, it will give all the tickets whatever it is. Now let's do one more thing. Instead of assignment group wise, what we will do is group by state we will put. So what is the example they have done? Bar chart. What is the type? Column, right? So let's see what is a column. Column, lines, time series, donut, heat map. Okay, so we'll take our OB one moment. So let's take, instead of assignment group, state wise we will see. So state wise also we are getting this many, correct? So each state wise these are the, and created by maybe we are giving a date, correct? So instead of that month we will give. So now monthly. So if you want yearly, quarterly we will give. Apply each quarter wise. How many tickets are in progress? How many tickets are new? Many tickets are on hold. We will get here in the column, correct? Now this is done, and let's have this one. Save it. So somebody asks you again, I need different dashboard, different report on the same thing. What is the different? Maybe they are asking you to have horizontal or vertical. We will take one of the pivot one, correct? Let's take one of the pivot one, which is the complex one, correct? So again, header. So what is a header? We will say state versus group. So let me make a little bit bigger screen. State versus group. State versus group. Wrap title. Add data source. Incident. I am just adding nothing. Okay, I'm not taking any filters. So now You see here, group by what is that? Columns. How do you want columns? They are asking, correct? So, so we have to show different two either row and column, correct? So let's take assignment group wise this one. So how many maximum numbers you want to show? Show all we will put, okay? So apply this one, correct? Assignment group. Then we will also take row state. Apply. So I am trying to, again you want to have a this sort by, correct? Sort by descending ascending order. We first let's make this one visible properly, then we will go ahead and add it.
And this is which type you taken a pivot, huh?
Pivot I have taken. I will show you how it looks. Okay, wait. You see here how it came? Pivot, correct? Each state wise assignment group wise we are getting, correct? So if I want to ascending order, the values will come, descending order values will come like this, correct? So you want to show date, up to date, following interactive filters and all, it you can show that. If there is no data, you want to show the data, you can show. Freeze row, okay? Size, alternative column, it is showing different color. Display rows, correct? Show alternative rows order, okay? There are multiple options which you are getting. And table settings, maximum width, length, column, okay? You are getting wrap text, okay? So truncate, okay? So all different colors again you are getting. So what colors you want to apply, all those things you are getting here, right? And interaction, go to data, all those things it is there. Go to data is nothing but when you click this one, it will go to the backend. So now let's save this one, try to visualize, correct? So we are all visualizing different dashboards, correct? So now let me do one thing. I will put this one here. So this one here. So these all are the dashboards we created. So normally save it. Okay, once you save it. So what we will add one more widget here. Then we will do interactive filter. Okay, we will apply interactive filter. How it is going to work? For that we will see, correct? So now let's see list. We all know list. What is list, correct? It's a simple. Oh, it is saving. It is changing the same thing. Huh? Okay, I'm not doing that. I'm saving this one. I'm adding one more data visualization new. So in the new, I'm selecting list. So list automatically it is taking task table. I want incident only. Okay. So they are asking you want to have any filters. Use existing filters or new filters, nothing. I'm not adding any filter, right? So these are my list view tickets. Again, list edit filters. If you have anything filter active equal to true, they would, correct? I don't want anything. I want to have all the tickets to show in my report. So maximum rows, you want to define maximum rows, minimum rows, all those things are available here. Enable word wrap, okay, overdue word wrap, how many maximum characters it has to display. There are multiple options, show borders, all those things are available. Now let's minimize this one. Okay, so then what I will do is I will bring it to here. Why 2 as added? Okay. Again, you want to add some columns, correct? Here, you can go ahead and add columns also. Okay. Where is that columns? We have edit filter, lips simple, display columns, correct? Add columns. At present, we don't have assignment group, we don't have category, okay? We don't have assignment group. Assignment group also I want to add it. So I added. This is change dashboard. Why it is come? Okay. Initially this has come. Okay. Okay. Understood. This task is automatically added. We added this as a this one, correct? So let's delete this one. We don't want this one. Right? Delete. So we want to have this one only. So now you are going to add one by one column. Suppose you are taking here, not single. So let me delete this one also. So these are presently. Now we are going to add list view again. List simple. Oh, it is saving the existing one only. Okay. Let me reload it and try to add a new widget instead of old widgets we are updating. So these all are our things, right? Now let's do this one only instead of task incident. So these all are things which has come. Now if you want to view also save exit mode. So if you want to click here, it will show all the incidents here. Because we clicked all threads, it is taking time. See, this is all incidents. It will show here. It will come our normal view. Correct. Now we added multiple widgets into here. Correct. So let's apply interactive filters, which we discussed earlier. Correct. The same way we will add interactive filter. Add element. Correct. So add element filter. So suppose I want to add new filters. What is new filter? We created last time data filter, correct? Date. So by having a date, I will say created date. Once we create, we will come to know what is that. You guys has to wait some time. Okay, then I will table, then incident, where which field we have to take it, correct? So then we will apply created, right? Based on the created date, I wanted to, whether you want to apply hierarchy, all the reports, you want to apply this one for all the reports or not. So you are giving option. Now let's take this one into here above. Correct. So I will maximize it, this one. So I will save it. See, suppose this data is multiple data, is that correct? Let's take one by one like this. Okay. So let's take this. I will take this one into down because visualization, I wanted to have visualization. Very good. So I will take here. We will add one more report here, but as of now, this is the reports we are having. So this is the date filter, right? When you click this one, save. After saving, exit this mode, correct? Then you select this one. So you have a custom range in between. I want to see maybe from September 1st, how many tickets are created, correct? And I need to select September 1st to apply. See, only 13 tickets are created from September 1st to till today. Okay. So this is called interactive filters. Now last 1 month I want to see 26 tickets created. This we applied only on hold, so only one incident is there, whichever created last 1 month, correct? The rest of the things here, the values are showing. We are not applied anything. So suppose I want to take last 3 months, correct? 48 incident. In that 4 incidents are on hold. So if you see here, what is this? It is saying that I am following, this report is following interactive filter, which is this interactive filter is following. This is not following. If you see this one, this is not following. Okay. Rest of them all are following interactive filter. Because we didn't selected this one, you have to follow interactive filter in the while configuring. So similar way you can take last 6 months, you can see last 6 months data. Similar way you can see y today means year till today, correct? So this is the 1 year tickets. So last year, if you want, you can go ahead and do it. Last year only 3 tickets were created, right? So that is how you will be creating a dashboard and adding into data visualization and data filters. As of now, I am teaching only this date. I can go ahead and teach one more thing, add element, filter, new filter. So instead of this one, I can give multiple selection. Multiple selection is nothing but suppose you have assignment group, multiple assignment groups, correct? You can go ahead and add multiple assignment groups. So again, you need to add here label called assignment group, data picker, table, incident table, and which field you are applying. You should apply right here, assignment group. So where is that? This is here. We will create. Why data is not showing below? Because you are doing multiple filters, correct? So that is why data is not showing. Now let's select, let's save it and exit edit mode. Okay. So now exit edit mode. So you want to see all groups, suppose service desk. Where is service desk? Yes, service desk. You want to see network. Where is the network? Software. You want to see open space. You want to see network. I am applying multiple. Great. You cannot apply multiple data filters in one dashboard. Suppose if I go ahead and remove this one date, I can apply this one. Okay, any one can only work. So multiple you cannot apply. What is that? Multiple filters you cannot apply in the dashboard. You can apply only one at present. Okay. So let's go to. I think it is going to work. One moment. Sorry, might exit. This is last year, correct? Why today? We will see. See, it is working. So multiple also it is working. So we are able to get the data multiple also. So I've applied multiple data filters now in this one. So sorry, maybe I confused you, but it is working both of them. Okay. So both data filters, it is working. So you can apply, go ahead and apply multiple data filters. So till here, any doubt, guys?
And in the last one, you told you not applied the filter, no?
Yeah, in the report, this one, list view.
While configuring, there is option to select the filter, or are you in the middle?
Yeah, correct. Here is the option, correct?
Okay.
Whether you want to follow data filter or not, correct? You have that option, advanced something. You have a option. Suppose you go here, list as a, you want to follow filter or not. See, follow filters, show follow
Uh,
filter icon.
okay.
The similar way you have to apply, then only it will work based on this filters, it will follow the below ones. So suppose somebody ask, my manager want to see how many tickets are created this year and what is their status. Okay. So what he will go ahead and see, he will see year today. Suppose you want to see last 6 months, how many tickets are correct in progress from service desk. 19 tickets are total. In that, 0 resolved, 3 on hold, 4 new, 5 closed, 7 in progress. And here he will select whichever you want. He want to see only, suppose service desk, he can select service desk. You want to see all the teams, he can see all the teams, correct? So he will have a multiple option where he will go ahead and select and try to see how many tickets are in the queue. Okay. So that is how he is going to work it out, and he is going to view on a daily morning, or any manager. Okay. Any doubt, guys, still here? So all of you, I want you to create one dashboard and create one data interactive filter. Okay. At least 3 widgets you need to add. Okay. And show me one multi-pivot, and rest of them maybe you can give a score, or maybe you can go ahead and add a clock. You can go ahead as add as a speedometer. Okay, anything you can go ahead and do it. Suppose you can go ahead, speedometer is there with a speedometer, I think speed, pie chart is there, bubble chart is there, retro, any three you can choose yourself and try to give me next week. I want to see that. Okay. So pie chart again data addition. I'm not applying any filter because we need to check on the how it is going to work, correct? So I'm checking active by, correct? So I, instead of active by, I want to check category wise, top 10 categories. Somebody asked, can I see top 10 category, right? Somebody told I want to see top 10 categories only. So you can go ahead and apply top 10 here. So you
For
want
it,
to, yeah,
yeah, well, sorry to interrupt, Anna. For example, if I created some XYZ reports here for the dashboard, same report I want to uh, display in a different dashboard. Is it possible?
different dashboard. Yeah, there is a save option is there, correct? There is a saved one you can take, correct? These all are again, you are creating for only for this dashboard, correct? So old UI, you had that choice. You can add same report into multiple dashboard, but here first you are creating a dashboard and you are trying to add it, correct? You are not having an option to bring the old reports. So there might be a, suppose, one more thing, we exit, edit, so add data visualize. So there is a saved ones, these are the saved ones, already saved ones. You can try to bring them here. Suppose incidents, suppose you are having this one report, so you can bring that one into here, right? This is a simple list one you configured. So you have these many columns configured, correct? So you are able to bring that report to here and save it. So you have hide advanced is there, landmark. Okay. So this is a way you can go ahead and configure your reports or dashboards. Okay. So again, it will display based on this one, because this list view is not working. Filters you see here, list view is not working. They don't you cannot apply list view this interactive filters. See, first of all, into dashboards you should not add any list view tickets. Okay. Only you have to add either pie chart, bar chart. Okay. Let me stop here sharing. I wanted to discuss it. So suppose we went to last time I was explaining ACLs, correct? We all saw there was a ACLs we were creating, correct? If I go to, I'm not sharing my screen, is it? Yeah.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, let me go back to list view. I hope you are able to see my screen, correct?
Yes, now yes.
Yes.
Okay, suppose I'm here, correct? I'm here, and I can able to edit the my assignment group. Where is assignment group? I am bringing here short description before short description. Okay, so I'm bringing my short description here. So I'm able to update this one, correct? Suppose I'm able to update, correct? But people, if I give this access, what they will do is they will select this way and try to update all the tickets to one group. So this will create a issue, right? So I should restrict this one. How can I restrict? So now let's go to incident, configure, configure all and security role, correct? Security roles is nothing but ACLs, we all know, correct? Or you can go to all and try to check ACL. Guys, anyone can clear me why I'm not getting new option here?
Here, you are not allowed in the user profile. There is admin option, right? Security admin.
That's good. So you have to elevate security admin whenever you are changing any. Guys, you guys has to follow the similar as Anjaya is learning at least. Okay, please. If you don't understand, please let me know. I can help you to understand me. Correct. Now I got a new. So whenever I want to change anything, I need to have I need to have security admin whenever I want to change access control lists or add, modify, remove. Okay. So what I did is last 2 days back, I went and created a one new this one. Okay. If you see list edit operation is we learn read write delete. I have one more list edit. I will select incident and assignment group. Okay, you have to select which field they should not be changing on the list view, correct? Suppose I will select assign to also now, the new one. Okay, who can only do this one? Only admin can do it. If you give it to ITL, everyone can do it, correct? So now I am trying to do additionally assign to also. Earlier we applied assignment group, even though still I'm able to access because I am administrator, correct? So let me go before that. Before that, what I will do is I will go ahead, impersonate Beth and see whether Beth is able to see. Is not able to do because I configured ACL for list view should not be editing, correct? So let's end impersonate. So again, I have to see whether I'm in security admin. Then I will come back and see access control, correct? I will go to access control. I don't know. My instance is becoming slow. I don't know why. I'm configuring a lot of UI policies, all this, that, client scripts. And, okay. So access control. Okay. So we have already assignment group level, correct? So even we will apply now. So let me see again whether he is able to do change on the, see, I impersonated Beth, but Beth is able to change the assignee in the list view. So now we will apply restriction and impersonate. Again, go to my ACL. I'm applying assign to. Where is that? Assign to. I'm only allowing administrator. I'm inserting and stay. Continue. Correct. So now role is not added. By default, if you add it, role is not added. Suppose I'm adding admin. So now again, you can go ahead and apply. I want to apply only for active equal to true. Here condition. That condition also here active equal to true. Only active equal to true means which is not closed. For that tickets only, you should not be updating. Who? The NAR ITIL users. Only admin can do that. Others cannot do it. I hope you are understanding. You are following, correct? So let's do save this one. So now I will impersonate this guy again. Our friend lady. Who's that? Beth. I will impersonate now. I will go to list view and I will see whether, see, you are not able to update. So this is very important and daily, day to day job when you are doing it. Okay. So they will ask you to do this one, this kind of a restrictions. I hope you understood till here, correct? These are the topics we discussed yesterday. Major incident channel, list view we discussed today, and dashboards we discussed. Now plugins, let's see plugins also we will see, correct? So we all know that plugins are here, correct? So if you go here, there will be a multiple plugins, whichever you want to select. Again, we are going to use only ITSM plugins, correct? So you can select ITSM plugin and check it out, whichever plugin you want it. Suppose this is a procurement of ITSM, this is a agent workspace you want, then you want to AA search, you can go ahead and just click this one. And it is already installed, this one, see, it is already up to date. It is installed up to date. So some patches are there when you install and today, then you can go ahead and update also. Okay. If you want to repair also, you can go ahead and do repair. Okay. The existing one has some issue, you can go ahead and repair it. So again, we are back. Suppose you want to have virtual agent. Now virtual agent password reset is not, option is not there. You can go ahead and install this one. So this is how you can go ahead and do installation. And if you want something new, you can go ahead and request here. And you can also see open store. I might show tomorrow how to request these plugins and how to open the store and see it, because I have to log in into other laptop and show you. This laptop I cannot log in into support portal. Okay. So that's how you're going to use this. You want something new which is not here, you can go ahead and request in the request plugins, where you can open your store and see whether the plugins are available in the store. Then only you can request. Okay. So that's how it is going to be work for you. This plugins. Suppose let's go to here again. So you have multiple plugins here. If you see standard change template, standard risk management intelligence, predictive intelligence, DevOps, asset receiving mobile. Okay. So there are multiple modules. You can go ahead and see it. Suppose if you're selecting asset management, these are the performance analytics for premium software asset management. Okay. So there are multiple ITOM. So you can see advanced recommended action ITSM, event management core. There are a lot of AI apps dashboard. So there are a lot of things in the store where you can go ahead and now platform. So based on this, each one you can go ahead and select and go. If you want only free things, you can select these free products, free plugins. So that's how you can see, and you can also sort by released latest or old or whatever way and do. If you have any updates, old you have installed, but you have some updates, it will show here. See, mobile card builder up to date updates are available. It is showing. Okay, and Kanban board component which is having updates. Installed one, which all are installed, these will show here. Okay, these all are installed already, up to date. If view more, it will show you all the things. Okay, so this is how you can go ahead and see applications, plugins under Kins applications. So anything on this plugins you guys are having doubt? Okay, so plugins are done. Okay. Dashboards are done, list view is done, major incident management channels we discussed. So tomorrow we are going to discuss live incident creation, update set creation, and record producer, and import set. We will also discuss import set. So dashboard, record producer, these are the things we will discuss tomorrow. So by tomorrow, can you guys go ahead and create some dashboards and show me? It will be a great help. Is that okay?
Okay.